The kitchen Nazi.
No.
Oh shit, it's bleeding.
There you go.
Someone tells me that's not good. It's not good. Alright, clean this mess up first.
Oh, yeah, if you missed that, we had some cookies and cream, which are going to be amazing, but some kid named Brennan Burr, who lives like right next to us,
Put that shit in there. Now?
he gave it to us, and it was kind of bleeding. Fluff, his spoon.
Yeah, it's a fluff. It's a fucking faulty knife. Oh, there's one here.
Oh, okay.
Some cloth with kitchen knife. You want to put it in there. Like, it doesn't come off my spoon. I'm not putting it in there. Yeah. Don't use this. Yeah, might need spoon on spoon action here to get this baby.
Oh, baby.
That's all the fluff we're putting in. I'm not gonna put more than that. Fucking syrup? Are you out of your mind?
No, syrup is definitely needs to go in there.
Alright, we're good.
Here we go.
Give me some pineapples now.
Pineapple, do you?
Yeah, I need pineapples.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously pineapples.
Okay. Okay, here's our pineapples. Alright, and also, we're making...
Childproof, why don't you? No fingernails.
Okay, we were making before amazing cookies, and they're not very amazing. They have some good stuff in it.
Are they done yet at all?
No, I don't think so. They haven't really moved. They have like cat food, and
Put more fucking cat food on there.
nah, we're good.
Alright.
They had the peanut butter and fluff, pineapple.
Pineapples. You want a pineapple chunks from Dole? Highly recommend.
Dole, recommend, totally.
About
They shouldn't be like as old as
8 ounces. 8 ounces
Yeah.
of pineapples, and you just want to watch your hand motion. Come on, just like that.
It's totally bad if you do it. You have to do this. Oh my god.
Now we need to turn this on. What that is? And you gotta get this, the Shit Shaker 5000.
Actually, Smoothie Elite. It's leaks are amazing.
Yeah, you need this dildo thing to put it in there too. So first you wanna make sure it's off. Then you wanna
Put it on.
mix pour. Yeah, put that. On again?
A little bit.
Pulse.
Oh baby.
You want to pulse a couple times. And if you're making this at, 12 at night, you want to keep it quiet or else everyone else will hear it.
Yeah. That's not good. We're good. Shut up.
You want to make it like the sports car,
That kid's name is Wade. He's kind of a loser.
And that smells wonderful. Come over here and have a smell of this.
Look at that.
Sure, smell it. Doesn't that just make you want to cream in your pants right now?
Stop.
Now that we're done with
I need to try some of that. Oh my god.
shaking. So wash this off real quick. Get some cups. Get some cups. Now you want to remove the top. And if you have one of these, one of these things from the Back to Basics Smoothie Elite.
We're like
Pour yourself a cup. That just flows right out.
Yeah. Cheers it, man.
Okay. Let's have a good sip of this. Wonderful.
Cheers. Cheers. Fabulous.
Oh, that tastes like ass. Oh.
I'm fabulous.
Dude, I see part of the pineapple in my spit.
It's like a
Look, downside to having the Smoothie Elite is that it leaks sometimes, but besides that, we made some fucking amazing smoothies.
Please stay tuned for more episodes of The Kitchen Nazi.